How to make a Hugelbed. Start with removing the grass in the area where you want the bed to be. Save the sods on a pile, you need them later again. Start digging out the trench. It is best to make heaps of soil on both sides of the trench so that you will be able to reach the soil easily later on. Dig the trench about 2 spades deep, so about 50 to 60 centimeters. Now we will start to fill up the trench again. Start by using bigger pieces of wood, even entire logs can be used. Then add some smaller branches on top. Throw some kitchen waste or compost on top of that. Also manure can be added at this stage. Now put the sods back, but make sure they are upside down. Like this, the grass is less likely to regrow and will serve as a green manure. Make sure as much of the pile at the bottom is covered with the sods. Rake the soil back into the trench. Start by adding a layer about everywhere and slowly start building it up. Make sure you don't walk around too much in the soil, you don't want to compress it. In the end, you will need to build up the hilly part of the Hugelbed. Carefully rake the soil back and forth so that a nice hill is created. Add a decent layer of mulch on top and start planting. This bed served us very well this past season. We are looking forward for the next seasons to come. Thanks for watching!